So this is how you can use the desktop mode on your Android device, and there are like more ways how you might be approaching this. At first, there is the way to use any kind of website in a desktop mode, right? So whenever you are browsing a website in Google Chrome, you can tap on the three dots in the top right and click on the option to just switch it or request a version for the desktop, right? So you have always the ability to do so. So that's like the first approach. But besides that, some devices like the Samsung Galaxy phones, some of them usually like have the DeX mode, right? So if you swipe down to access the toggles in your control center, you can find the DeX mode, and it has a computer as an icon. And when you open it up, you have like two options. You might use DeX on a TV or monitor, or DeX on a PC. And usually with this, you essentially just have the ability to just cast DeX wirelessly to a compatible TV. And you can connect your phone with a cable too, and you basically just get a desktop experience but using the phone. So we are using the CPU and the internals of the actual phone, but we have a large display, and therefore we have like a different situation going on, right? We can use the same photos, toggles, files, and apps, but in a large view set up and made for the desktop experience. So it deserves like a whole video in and of itself. So if you are interested, perhaps I might make a video about that. So subscribe if you're interested. But these are the things which I wanted to let you know about. This is the desktop mode available on your Android phones, right? So let me know in the comments if you would like to see more or what exactly you have in mind. But that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.